Let's share the screen. Hope the screen is visible to all of you. In today's session, we will see and we will start with the Maven project. And another concept of Maven is page object model. We can name it as a page object model. In page object model, the concept says that all the time that you open a new page, whenever you hit the link of the browser, like suppose let's take an example of a browser of let's give a search for Amazon. I'll search for Amazon and I'll click on top of that. Whenever you open this page, it's a new page after hitting the link in a Google search. You need to create a new file for that. For example, I came to this page, I created a new file. For example, I will go from this page to another page. So once I go from this page to another page, I need to create a different script file for that also. This is the real power and this is the real coding experience which we do in today's class. And whenever you go to company, people are following this concept. Either they are using Maven or they will use Cucumber framework. So with no further delay, let's begin. I will go take Eclipse. But before starting to writing the code, the configuration of a Maven is a little bit different. So we will create a new project and we will configure it from the beginning. We will see that how things work inside Eclipse with Maven. So first of all, you need to do it. Go to File menu, click on File. Once you click on File, come to New section, like you regularly create a project. But in this time, you have to select a project. Maybe it might be in your Eclipse that show you Maven project, Java project, so don't click on that. Just click on Simple Project. Everybody, just click on File menu, hover on New, and a new pop-up, click on Project. Once you click on Project, a new window will be opened for you. And here you have lots of options: General, Gradle, Java, Maven. From the last, you need to select the last one, which is named Maven, and expand it. Once you expand it inside Maven, we have lots of other things like Maven model. Check out Maven project from SCM. We don't need those two. We need only the last one, Maven project. So select the Maven project. Once you select the Maven project, you just do one. Whenever the new Windows model is open, click expand the Maven and select Maven project. Once you select, click on next. Sorry?
Excuse me, sir. I missed which. Should we click on the package explorer or file?
Okay, I'll do it from the beginning. Once you click on file, come to the new, like you create a regular project in Java. But in this time, you need to select a project, not a Java project, not a Maven project, just project. Once you click on project, a new pop-up window will be opened. Just from the list, select the Maven and expand it. Expand the Maven. Once you expand the Maven, you need to do it, select the Maven project. Once you select the Maven project, click on Next. Again, click on Next. In this part, you need to search for some configuration right in the filter box. And filter box, just click and search for Maven dash Archie type dash quick start. Quick start. For some of you might it doesn't show because because you're configuring Maven for the first time, it will search for you. Just please wait a second, keep patient, okay? It will definitely come like this for you. I will copy this command and paste it in chat box. Everyone just copy it and paste it in the filter box. Maven dash archetype dash quick start. You have to, after the search, the result should be like this, which is appearing on my screen. And you need to select the last option. Version is 1.4. Select that option, which version is 1.4. Once you select that, I hope that it is visible on everyone's screen. We'll wait for some minute. Okay. Now when it's visible, select the Quick Start 1.4 version. Once you select that, guys, click on Next. And here, a new model window will open. It is kind of a form that you need to fill up something in here for Maven project. What you need in here, first of all, is a group ID, artifact ID, and package. So let's see how we will fill up these things. First of all, what is group ID? Whenever you're testing on any of the domain names like Facebook, Amazon, eBay, Shopify, this sort of application, you need to write down its domain name, like it's amazon.com. What we have to do is that we need to do like this. Go to browser. Let's see. It's amazon.com. It's amazon.com. I will do it. Instead of amazon.com, I will write down the domain name in reverse order. com dot what? Amazon. You need to write it in reverse order. This is the rule of group ID. com.amazon. Next is, what is artifact? Artifact is the name of the project which you want to give, or like you give Selenium basic, you give TestNG. So in this, whatever you're giving, it's totally depend on you, or it might be assigned from the company side. So totally it's by human that whatever project name they're giving to the project. Let's suppose I'll give Amazon. I'll give it only I'll keep it simple as Amazon. Let's give it Amazon test. That's all. And package section is automatically filled with those two above information. You don't need to be worried about that. Now you need to do what? You have one step to click on what? Click on finish. Once you click on finish, on the bottom side of the screen, right side, you can see there is a green progress bar which is going ahead, and it's when my computer it's 33%. You need to expand your console because in one point, console will ask you that, do you want to configure this package? You need to write down Y for yes. You can see I type Y for yes and hit the enter. It will automatically create an Amazon test project, Maven project for you. After pressing Y, just wait for 1 minute. It will arrange everything for you. This totally depends on computer speed and performance, RAM, that and how long it will create everything for you, how long it will take. Just in my case, it takes 5 to 6 seconds. So in your case, might be if your RAM of computer is slower, so it will take a little bit of time. But I guess everyone has a new version of the computer, so it will take 5 to 6 seconds. Now, let's expand Amazon test project, what we have inside that whenever we configure just Maven project. When I expand it, you can see that we have SRC main Java, we have SRC test Java, we have GRE system library, we have Maven dependency, we have SRC target and pom.xml. We have those kinds of folder in files and libraries. First of all, you need to do what? Everyone just reach to this section. Please confirm it in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone who's still stuck in somewhere? It's okay, Master. Where you reached?
It's just me, but your voice is cutting off on and on. Like you're far away.
Okay, now it's okay.
Now it's better.
Okay. If the reason is my voice is cutting, I paused for a minute sometimes so that you guys reach to that position. I guess that might work from that. It's okay. Now, the next part is you have to do what, guys? Your next job is just expand the SRC main Java. Expand it and also expand the SRC test Java. These are the two project folders that is created by the Maven for you. Now you need to do what? Inside that, you have default packages, com.amazon.amazon test. Just try to delete those packages. Select it, right click on that, and click on delete, and say okay. Now next job is com.amazon.amazon test, and try to delete this also. Click on OK. Now you have deleted both the packages which was located in two different folders. The first folder is we will use for creating new pages. We will access the location of web pages inside this SRC main Java. Let's create a package for that. So select the folder, right click on top of that, and come to new, hover on new, and say package. Sorry.
So we don't want to delete a wrong package. Just want to reconfirm. We should delete the it's com.amazon test. Should we delete that one?
Yeah. Look, And here you have two folders. Can you see on your screen src main Java and src test / Java?
Yeah.
You have. So expand both of them.
Mm-hmm.
Once you expand both of them, delete both the packages which is located in both folders.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, what was that? Why we should delete that one?
Because we need to create a package which is modified by ourselves. Those packages was created by the Maven, so we don't want those.
No, thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, what should we do? Right click on src main / Java. So hover on new and go to package. Click on package. Now in package, you need to give com.amazon. Before it was Amazon test, now we need to pass pages. We have to give, because we are storing the logic of pages inside the src / main / Java. Click on finish. Once you type this, just type down the domain name in reverse order, com.amazon, and put one dot and specify the package name like pages. We are storing the new pages inside this package. Click on finish.
You on this screen right here, this little pop-up menu, you don't have your create package info.java is deselected by default. Ours is selected, so deselect that.
Yeah, deselect that. I guess everyone's it's on everyone's screen that it's not selected. So if create package info.java is selected, so uncheck this, everyone. If it is checked, so uncheck it. Once you do that, next part, you need to do what? Click on finish button. It's a simple package which you have created in Java already. So you have just configured the pages package inside src / main / Java. Next job is to do what? Click on src / test / Java, right click, over a new, and next click on package. Once you click on package, same concept apply here. So if it is checked marked, so uncheck it and type com.amazon. And this time you need to write down here test script. Because we are writing the logic of test script right inside this package. Write down com.amazon.testscript and give the name of the package like this, which I gave. And .amazon.testscript. Once you do that, click on finish, and that's all. You have created two packages inside your Maven project. Now till this point, you have just completed approximately 70% of your Maven project configuration. The next job is, what should we do? We're remaining with the pom.xml file, and we have to bring what? We have to bring the Chrome driver exe. So what should we do? Go to those folder which you have downloaded the Chrome driver exe. So it's in my downloads. So for you, it might be in different folder. So I'll go to Chrome driver, open it, the unzipped one. Select the Chrome driver exe, copy it, like a regular one that you have to. Right click on Amazon test project and try to paste it.
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat the last part again?
Okay. You need to do what? You need to paste the, bring the Chrome driver exe also in this project. For that, what we have to do, like a basic regular Java project, Selenium project, which you did, go to your download or any folder which you have downloaded the Chrome driver exe from the internet. You have it now. So go to that folder, try to copy the Chrome driver exe from unzipped file, not from the zipped file. Copy it from unzipped file and come to Eclipse again. Right click on Amazon test or anything that you have given and try to paste it like a regular project which you did.
Sir, I have a question. So on my side, I have home driver. The type is application and the other one's license.home driver. So which one would I copy?
Katya, I want you to copy the Chrome driver, not anything else.
That's the one which is application.
Sir, can you please share your screen and show us because there is some different files.
Yeah, let's Katya see your screen.
Okay. Okay, so this is what I have when I go to Chrome, the folder.
Okay, just copy this.
Which
Chrome
one, the first
driver?
one?
Yeah, the first one. Copy this. Up. Belongs beside the Caesar. Beside the Caesar icon, you have a copy icon. Yeah, copy. Go to your Eclipse, right click on test project and paste. That's all.
Okay. Okay, all right, thank you.
Done. Now you can stop your sharing. No, Shirinaka, do not delete the pom.xml.
Sir,
Yeah, Marina, tell me.
we should paste it on Amazon test.
Yeah, on the top of Amazon test project, which you did for regular project. You have did this. Okay, share your screen, Marina. Let me see. What's your issue?
Yeah, I already copied, so I am confused where I have to paste.
Oh, yeah, right click on Amazon test.
Here.
Right? Yeah, right click. Paste. Yeah, that's all. You're good.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I'll reshare my screen again. Now the next part is that you have to do it after bringing the AC. Now we are remaining with 20% of our configuration, which we have to do, and we have to follow the pom.xml file. What is inside pom.xml? Let's see. And now let me write it down. So double click on pom.xml, guys. Once you double click, a file will be opened with different tags and a different coding style format. This language is called XML language. We don't need a lot to do. We don't need to understand this fully. So this is a basic things for only used for configuration of these kinds of already pre-made projects. So in that section, scroll it a little bit down and find the dependencies tags, which I selected. Dependencies. And try to separate this dependency tag from dependency. One, we have general dependencies. Inside dependencies, you have dependency. This dependency is only for JUnit. We don't need JUnit, so delete this JUnit dependency. Now you have empty the dependency tags. For that, what we have to do is that we need to now go to your browser. Now in your browser, just try to search for word for MVN repository. take a new tab and search MVN repo. If you type it, so it will come MVN repository. Just hit the enter button. It will redirect you to this Maven repository page. This is a website that gives you all the configuration file packages related to Cucumber, related to Maven, related to Selenium. Everything you can find there. You don't need to be worried about files and configuration XML codes. Everything is right in this website. Now, just click on first link. Now, once you click in here, the UI says that it's in here we have a lots of configuration packages. Just in the search box, run or search for Selenium Java. Selenium Java. Hit the enter button or click on search. On your screen, it might show on the first position. On my screen, it shows on third position, Selenium Java, with the Selenium icon with the tick green button. Click on that, top of that. Click on Selenium Java. Once you click on that, the new window will open for you like this. Now your job is to do what? Your job is, and here you can see that we have versions 4.11, 4.10, 4.9, 4.9, like it will go till 4.8. Your job is to do it. Click on first link, 4.11.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I just opened the same page, but there is no Selenium Java. Can you please copy paste the link for us in chat box?
Yeah, you just need to write on Marina. Can you see this area of screen on your screen? Search for groups, artifacts, and categories. Can you see the search box?
Yes, yes.
Just type Selenium Java in that. I'll paste the spelling of Selenium if anyone pays. Selenium Java. Just try to type this.
Teacher, but I'm way behind after that. I looked for that Chrome driver exe. I couldn't find it. I find Chrome driver. It says Win64. I am not sure if this is the same thing.
Okay, we will do one thing. Just I'm little bit, I'm near to completion, so I'll complete and I will come again and check your screens, okay? And I will do the configuration in your screen again.
That's fine, but I am using my phone for the Zoom and I'm using my laptop separately. Unfortunately, I am in somewhere I can't use my
Okay, so
laptop
how
at the
you
same.
connect? How did you connect?
I have no I have no way to. I use the wireless for my laptop, but I didn't open the Zoom in the laptop.
Okay, you didn't open the Zoom on the laptop. You access it from the
Probably,
browser.
yeah. If we just go back from that Chrome, I might be able to catch
Okay,
up.
no worries. I will guide you step by step. No worries. Just let me finish this thing. I will guide you step by step.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're most welcome.
So search, should I click on Java? No, Selenium Java, right?
Yeah,
Or I have
Selenium
to
Java. Selenium Java
I-
4.11.
4.11, okay.
Yeah, click on that. Once you click, you can see that on bottom of the screen, you can see that here is a lot of version 4.11, 4.10, 4.9. Just click on 4.11 version. Can you see that numbers?
4.11.0.
Yeah, click on that. Now you should be exactly on the same
first one.
screen which I am. Can you see the same screen?
I was in the same screen.
Now you're in the same screen.
Yes.
Okay, good. Till this point, the Marina also reached. Now the next job is, guys, that you have to do what? Just in here, you can see here is one box which is written the XML dependency of the Selenium. Just try to click on that box. It will copy everything directly for you. It will select everything for you. Just try to copy. Press Ctrl+C, right click, copy, any way that you are comfortable with that. Try to copy this all of the code. All of the highlighted code which is on my screen. Try to copy it. Once you copy this, go to your Eclipse. Now, in your Eclipse, pom.xml is already opened. Just try to do what? Inside dependencies, these two dependencies, which now you empty and delete the JUnit dependency, paste whatever you have copied, paste it. I will show it again, those who are behind. Okay, let me go to that section. I just go to Maven repository. I will do this again, Maven repository. Maven repository. Now click on first link. Now in here, you need to write down Selenium Java, hit the enter. So it will search for your Selenium Java. So click on first link. Once you click on first link in here, and the bottom of the section page, you can see that we have 4.11, 4.10. Just click on first link, 4.11. When you clicked on 4.11, just in this section of the screen, where is my cursor, you can see you have one box which is written the Selenium dependency code. Yeah, so click on this, any of the areas, so it will select all the code for you. Just Ctrl+C, copy it, go to your Eclipse and paste it inside the dependencies tag. That's all.
Can you do me a favor here, sir? Can you Control-Z this? Because I believe I have deleted some other syntax with it. Can you do Control-Z in here?
Can you share your screen?
Yes, sure. Okay, so I have done all these steps, followed you with all the steps, but this is, you said to delete.
Yeah. No, Nasib, you have selected also the dependencies main package. So try to select from line number 27 till line number 22. 27 till 22. One more line, 22.
Okay.
Yeah, but just delete this.
Okay.
That's all. Now copy that dependency from the browser and paste it inside these things.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's all. Now, guys, we are just copy the Maven dependency of Selenium from the npm repository. Now the next job is what we have to do is that we should go again to that browser web page, and again click on search box and write test-ng and hit the enter button, so it will search for you the test-ng. Now we need to also configure the test-ng right in here. For configuring the test-ng, what you need to do is that click on the first link, which is a pair. Again, it will work same like which you did for the Selenium Java. You have the first link 7.8.0, click on first one. Same, click here and copy it. Once you copy this, go to your Eclipse, and below the Selenium Java dependency, just give 1/8 and paste it. But both of the dependencies should be wrapped between the dependencies tag. This is dependencies tag. Both of the dependency which we get from the web MVM repository should be in between dependencies tag. That's all, guys. Press Ctrl plus S, so it will save the code for you. Now your pom.xml is configured. Now the next job is what you have to do. You can close it or you can leave it. Totally depends on you. Maven project is configured.
Excuse me, sir, I have a question. All this configuration and this stuff will affect on our laptop speed or the RAM, because I think my laptop becomes so slow.
No, it
I don't
doesn't affect. In fact, it will save you, but you will not believe me. This Selenium basic folder, which is located in here, it is more heavier than your Amazon test. Why it is more heavier? Because you did download the files from the selenium.dev and you put it right in the project, so it will make computer heavier. But in this part, what we did, we didn't download anything. We just give the dependency files that each and every time it's need for the Selenium files and for just Selenium TestNG files, it will go and get it from the browser. It will save the copy in local storage and it will access. It is more lighter and more speedy than your Selenium basic.
Yeah, because I just see before also we did some configuration in 2-3 weeks before. So after that, I recognize that my laptop became so slow after the configurations that we did.
Marina, you're using a brand new laptop?
Mm-hmm.
That's totally fine. It might affect some other it might affect from some other factors, like you did install the antivirus, you might install some kind of VPNs. It doesn't affect. But in this case, in Amazon test project, which you did configure right now, Maven, it is totally lightweight. That's why companies are going towards Maven and Cucumber. They are very lightweight and they are very fast.
Okay, so thank you.
Most of it. Now the next job is that if you guys configure this, we are done with the Maven project. Now I will check the screens. Let me just pause the recording for a minute. Okay, guys, that was all about the Maven configuration. Now from tomorrow onward, we will practice the standard coding style, the standard writing scripts of test cases which actually people are doing on the company. Now from tomorrow onwards, whatever we are writing here, these concepts, these coding logics, and these techniques will be used inside the company. So this Maven and Cucumber is very important. And on these two topics, your job will be saved and you can survive till very long. So try to learn it very well. This is very easy, but it's a little bit tricky. Just keep two tricks in mind. I will show you. You will never fail this project, okay? You will learn it definitely. It's very easy. So from tomorrow onwards, we will start standard practicing. Till today, we just learned the basic. We just learned how to access the locators. We just learned how to play with web pages. From tomorrow onwards, we will bring those web pages and we will practice our test cases on the real web applications. I will not use some other tools like there's a lot of websites that it show the basic websites for testing, but I will not use. Rather, I will go directly jump on the Amazon, jump on the eBay, jump on the Facebook, jump on the Instagram. So we will check and we will get the real feel of the testing that, hey, if we are implementing the standard coding, so we need to implement the standard application as well, so that we can turn tomorrow, if you go to company, you will see that this kind of work is also people are doing there. So for today, we are done. The session is closed. If you guys don't have any questions,